Hello and welcome to airSlate, the best workflow automation solution out there. Watch this video to stay current with all the ways airSlate can benefit your business and streamline your day-to-day processes.
Did you know that poor inventory management affects your relationships with customers? A great customer experience starts with being sure of the availability of products your customers want. This is why working with simple inventory sheets and sales records are not sufficient for businesses, even small businesses. airSlate's no-code automation fully addresses this challenge by automating and accelerating business processes, maintaining full control over important documents, and eliminating manual, error-filled actions. Here are some tips your team can use to reclaim working hours and reduce cost with airSlate. Customize and process payments as soon as your documents are completed with the airSlate integration for Stripe. To use this option, in your airSlate account, create a new flow or select the template you are currently working on. Then proceed to Documents. From the Add New dropdown, click Create from Scratch and then Payment Request. Once the document editor opens, connect your Stripe account, choose a currency, and make payment collection optional or required. Add a description to the form, specify the product's price and quantity, and add an image if needed. You can use the pre-fill bots to automatically populate the payment amounts from different documents or apps in the payment processing form. Click Show Preview to see how your form will appear to recipients. When finished, click Save. Let's see what else you can do with airSlate. First of all, there are two ways of automating your document workflows. You can either build your flow from scratch by clicking the Create New Flow button, or choose one of the pre-built flow templates. Browse the flow template collection from your dashboard and pick the one that meets your needs. Then, set up your specific documents, workflows, and bots. You start by adding or creating documents and web forms in your workflow. You can create them from scratch or upload documents from your computer or cloud storage. Customize the docs any way you want. Add fillable or signature fields, assign recipients to them, and make fields mandatory or optional, and more. Next, visualize your workflow. Drag and drop steps and name each one based on the role or responsibilities of those who will complete it. Manage document recipients, assign fields or entire documents to them, and add conditions for the step execution if necessary. Add branches if you need to send documents simultaneously to several recipients. Finally, automate your workflow by adding no-code bots. Use the bots to send reminders and notifications, pre-fill documents, transfer data, upload records to your CRM, and much more. If you want to use the flow more than once, you can make it a template. Just choose the Save As Template option when configuring your workflow. Once you set up your workflow, click Send so that the documents are completed by the right people. You can also send the documents via SMS, email, or create a shareable link to add them to your website. After your documents have been sent, use the airSlate dashboard to track their completion and all of the changes in your workflow. For example, you can see the status of your flow by opening the All Flows tab. Depending upon your role in the workspace and flow access permissions, you may have different options available. For example, you can download, send, and remove a specific document. View the bots log to check if the bots added to the workflow ran successfully, and if not, check the reason for failure. If you have any trouble using airSlate, go to the support portal or get help from our support team. Want to develop new skills and gain recognition? Click the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses.
Want to try airSlate for free? Just click the link in the description and begin streamlining your processes right now.